Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be working on the second part of the Discord PY series. Today's episode is going to be on events and commands. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're probably going to do is events because it sounds simple, but it isn't as simple as it seems. Let's get into it. So we're going to open up the Discord documentation because all of Discord PY's built-in events are in the documentation. So you can just look at what events they have and just add code to it. So let's see. So where we can find the built-in events is we click manuals, it'll scroll us down, and then we'll press API reference. You scroll down just a little bit or go to the left, you can click on members, which is the event we're going to be using. Anything under event reference is an event that you can possibly use. So you can check app commands, channels, guilds, interactions, members, messages, roles, basically anything. So what we're going to be focusing on, the first one we're probably going to be doing is on member join. Let's get into it. So open up your Visual Studio Code. If you didn't watch the first tutorial, this won't be similar. It won't be set up the exact same, but you can watch first tutorial, which will be linked in the description, or you might see a card pop up if I know how to do that. So yeah. So what we're gonna do is, as seen before, at bot.event is a built-in event from Discord PY. So, or this defines the event from Discord.py, and this is the built-in event. So on ready. So we can look at the documentation to see the onReady event, but we don't really need to so far. So yeah. So what we're gonna do is at bot.event, enter asynchronize or async define on underscore member underscore join. We're gonna add parentheses and then a colon to close off the statement. Under this definition or function, we're just gonna, when a member joins, we're just gonna print out a simple statement. Oh, yeah, we're gonna print out a simple statement. It's gonna say, well, it's gonna be an F string, and we're gonna say, we're gonna have curly brackets member dot name has joined the guild. Oh, okay, joined. So if you're wondering why this is yellow, it's because we didn't pass in on member join. On member join is a built-in parameter. So right under here, it says parameters on our member. So it's gonna say the member who joined. So we're just gonna pass in member right here, and then this should become recognized. Yep. So whenever a member joins our Discord server, it is going to print out in the console the member's name and then has joined the guild. So let's just run this to see if it works. Okay, so it says our bot is ready. So we can open up a Discord. And now that we can see our bot is ready, I have set up a Discord bot, that other bot that will join, to help us indicate those. So you can see a bot joined, and if you noticed, it says Cody has joined the guild. So what else we could do is we can copy and paste this, hit enter, and do on member remove, which is the same function right under here, and it's still, the parameter is member, so we can still continue on with that. And we have, say, it will still be the same line, print member.name, as instead of being joined, it will say left, because this function says the member, when the member leaves, it will print out this. So let's save our file, run the bot, and hopefully we don't see any errors. Okay, so it says bot is ready. We'll open up Discord again, and if I were to kick the bot, we're just gonna say, well, this won't show, but I'm just gonna say hello. The kick, and it says Cody, the bot's name, has left the guild. I'm gonna add it back to see if it still goes back to back. See, it has joined the guild. So that is basically members simplified, or events simplified. You could do many other events, but I won't be getting into that. Events will be used later in the series, but for now, you do not need it. So you can leave your API reference open just because it's your reference. You might need it. So let's stop. Let's turn off our bot, and I won't be needing these anymore. So I'll just delete that. And now let's get into commands. So add bot.command. Add bot.command. If you remember from episode 1, we had a command that was simply hello. I didn't put much explanation into it. I just showed you other ways you could write it. So commands dot command, bot dot command. I'm pretty sure those are the only two ways other than other types of commands. But add bot command defines the fact that anything, the function below it, is going to be a command. So we're gonna do asynchronize or async define or def. Async def. We're just gonna say hello. I'm just gonna make similar example. So async define hello. It's going to have parentheses and then a colon. I don't think colons usually okay. We're just gonna pass in context. If you want, we can pass in other parameters. For example, I'm gonna pass in a member, because why not? I think we might need to define the member. I don't know. I think we're good for now. And what we can do is we're gonna type in await context or ctx dot send or reply, because we want the bot to reply to that message. So await ctx dot reply hello. So we're gonna have f here, f shig hello, and then we're going to do member dot use. Actually, I don't think member would work here. We're gonna do ctx dot author dot mention. We're gonna mention or ping the author to say, just cause, and keep it simple or explain it. ctx means context, so it's gonna say text. Reply is gonna be the attribute, or attribute. So it can either be send, reply, and many other ones. So I'm gonna do reply because we're replying. The bot's basically replying to the person who sent the message. So now we gotta save the document. If you don't want to constantly press Control Shift, we can click File, Auto Save. I prefer not having auto save just so I can basically figure out what my issue is or save the file afterwards. So we can now run the bot. If we time thing. Bot is now we can open Discord. We can do exclamation mark, which is our prefix. If you remember from episode 1, when we set up the bot, we set our prefix to exclamation mark. Exclamation, exclamation mark hello. The bot will reply back to us with hello at Michael, which is my Discord account. So I think that's commands and events pretty simply. Keep it simple, frank. So just a quick video tutorial. Next episode, we are going to, I think we're going to cover cogs or better commands, or we might cover other types of commands. And maybe afterwards we're gonna have an advanced command tutorial and advanced event tutorial. But thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a good day or night. Please like and subscribe because we've hit 100 subscribers. Let's hope we can reach 100,000 this time. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any issues or anything, you can go to the description. All links will be in the description, including the subscribe button, of course. And I think we're all good. Oh, one thing. Last episode, the quality wasn't so good. I accidentally scuffed up my resolution on OBS Studio, so that's why it was kind of blurry and pixelated. Sorry about that. And now, this is goodbye.